actually got some good use out of this thing. It's getting a little dirty and a little worn, but you see what I mean? This is good. Like, I like the Leatherman, but I didn't realize it was going to be so short. But, dude, if there was another button right below it, it would be a nice snug fit. It would be mint right here. I wish that was like that. That would make this thing worth so much more to me, you know? What do you want? Get out of here. Oh, yeah, that's right. My dog's got a hole in her head. We were playing Chinese stars and seeing how quick she is. Yeah, she's not that quick. It's not blood, it's honey. It's actually doing pretty good, too, okay? Sorry.